Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Blabber for social language learning, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Blabber for social language learning, first, ensure you have a device with internet access. Download the Blabber app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and create a new account. Provide the necessary information, including your email and a secure password. After registration, verify your email if prompted. Log into your account using your credentials. Upon logging in, take a moment to set up your profile. Add your preferred language for learning in any other languages you are fluent in. Complete your profile by including your interests and language goals. Explore the app's features, including discussion rooms and language partners. Search for users who are native in the language you want to learn. Initiate a conversation by sending a message or a request to connect. Engage in discussions about topics that interest you to enhance your learning experience. Utilize the voice and video call options for real-time practice. Participate in language challenges and group activities offered within the app. Make it a habit to log in regularly to maintain consistent practice. Set specific language learning goals and track your progress within the app. Join community events to interact with a broader audience of learners. Give and receive feedback on conversations to improve your fluency. Stay patient and keep a positive attitude throughout your learning journey. Continue to explore new features as they become available in the app. Remember, consistency and engagement are key to your language learning success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.